Well, as you can see, we're heading up the ranger path.
It's a beautiful view, isn't it? Nice take a picture of that.
Was originally going to do the walking path, but we've chosen to go and do the ranger path instead. So I'm going to walk up this way. The heart's beating. Still not got over my injury at Old Man Coniston last week. My knee's quite sore, even though I didn't bang that. But I think I've been overcompensating due to the injuries. Yeah, it's nice. That's going to look nice from above that. This path has started becoming a little bit steeper now. So, but still good going. Look, you see what the pathway's like. So, oh, big step up. Yeah, nice. How are you feeling, Liam?
Feeling good.
Let's do this. Yeah. We're approaching the cloud, Liam. You see up there?
Yeah.
Sun's breaking through. Well, it's as bad as I expected, to be fair, Liam. Here is he. Liam left his bag up there, so he's had to run back up. A crazy guy. Goodbye, boys. Ooh, look at him there. Blimey.
We said 4 hours.
Picture of him. What's it? Wait for the sandwiches.
That was the
I mean, we saw it earlier and they didn't have that many carriages unless it separates at certain point.